सबको नमस्कार. I don't understand any Marathi. The only Marathi sentence I have learnt when I was studying in high school, because I'm a Telugu person. So in my Telugu history textbook, only one line I learnt. Gad ala Pan Simha Gela. And after that, I have a few Marathi friends in Raichur and Pune. So I learned one word, Kute. So when I think Shri Sudhir Phadke Saab, Kute, he is right now here with us. And I am very honored to be with you, sharing my respect to Sudhir Phadke Saab, and thanks to my friend Sridharji. And he gave me the privilege to touch his Pitaji's harmonium at his residence. And I'm a great fan of Sudhir Phadke Saab, and not only Sudhirji, the Marathi music, Sangeet. And I think that the film music in way down south is completely influenced by Marathi music and also Bengali. So with due respect to all those stalwarts who enriched my life musically, now I want to pay my respect by singing a few verses from Sudhir Phadke Saab's composing. F बताइए. तोच चंद्रमा तीच चैत्र यामिनी, तोच चंद्रमा तीच चैत्र यामिनी, एकांती मज समीप तीच तोहि कामिनी, तीच तोहि कामिनी, तोच चंद्रमा शीच धुंध तेज चांदणे, छाया रे कियले चित्र तेज देखणे, जाई जा कुंज तोच तीच गंध मोहिनी, एकांती मज समीप तीच तोहि कामिनी, तीच तोहि कामिनी, तोच चंद्रमा नभास. सारे जरी ते तसेच आज ती कुठे, मी तोच तीच तूही प्रीति आज ती कुठे, दीन आरता हुरात स्वप्न तेन लोचनी, एकांती मज समीप तीच तूहि कामिनी, तीच तूहि कामिनी, तोच चंद्रमा नभास. त्या पहिल्या प्रीतीच्या आज लोपल्या खुणा वाळल्या पुरात व्यर्थ गंध शोधतो पुन्हा गीत येन ते जुळून भंगल्या सुरातुरी एकांती मज समीप तीच तूही कामिनी तीच तूही कामिनी तोच चंद्रमा नभात. Thank you very much. Sridhar sir, let me tell you something. My father lived up to his 93 years and he recently passed away 2 months back. He is an artist, student from JJ School of Arts. He used to play this song while he's painting his artwork. And a million times, I don't know how many times you have heard this song. He must be the only person who continuously listened to this song for months together. And I thank Amol Palekar Saab and Sandhya Gokhale for introducing this wonderful Marathi music to me, including the great Sudhir Phadke Saab. And I am happy to share with some personal the information that I have a daughter who was born on 2002, July 29th. That was the day he attained the eternity. Sudhir Saab attained eternity. So that's, I feel that's a blessing for me.